A ratchet wrench is a hand tool designed for tightening or loosening fasteners, like bolts and nuts, without the need to lift and reposition it after each turn. It works using a clever mechanism that lets you apply force in one direction while slipping in the other, making repetitive tasks faster and easier. At the heart of a ratchet wrench is the ratchet mechanism, which is made up of a pawl, a small spring-loaded lever, and a set of teeth inside the wrench's head. When you push the wrench in one direction, the pawl engages with the teeth, allowing the socket to rotate. But when you pull it back in the opposite direction, the pawl slips, preventing the socket from turning. This lets you keep the wrench in motion without needing to take it off the fastener, reducing the effort and time involved in tightening or loosening. Now, to make it even easier to use, most ratchet wrenches come with a direction selector. This little switch lets you toggle between tightening and loosening with just a flick of your thumb. No more flipping the tool around. Just switch the direction and you're good to go. Ratchet wrenches come in several variations, each designed for different tasks. The standard ratchet wrench, for example, is incredibly versatile. It works with a variety of interchangeable sockets, making it perfect for almost any project. But if you're working in tight spaces, you might want a low-profile ratchet wrench, which has a thinner head that can reach into those hard-to-get areas. And if you need precision, a torque wrench, a specialized ratchet wrench, can help you apply just the right amount of force, perfect for car repairs or assembly where exact torque is critical. One of the biggest benefits of a ratchet wrench is its ability to operate in confined spaces. Imagine trying to reach a bolt in an engine bay or a cramped corner under a sink. With a regular wrench, you'd have to lift and reposition it after every turn. But with a ratchet wrench, you can work in continuous strokes, making the job faster and less tiring. That said, while a ratchet wrench is great for most tasks, it does have its limitations. It's not going to give you as much torque as a breaker bar or impact wrench, so it might not be the best tool for heavily rusted or stubborn bolts. However, for everyday jobs, the ratchet wrench is pretty much unbeatable. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's one of those tools you'll use again and again.